everyone, it's Catherine again, here with Coupon Car Club, just with another unboxing video. Guess what we're doing today? Magic Spoon! So stay tuned. Hi everyone, it's Muffins from Hi everyone, it's Catherine again.
Originally $6.99.
When you this, it's Free Stuff Friday. Alright guys, I have all these boxes. I'm so excited. So if you guys haven't heard, there's a new cereal company that is around. It's called MAGICSPOON. They are a keto friendly protein cereal. These are good for people who typically can't, they need more protein in their body, or if their diet has changed significantly and they need more protein. These are healthier options for your cereals. They are just a little bit more pricey, but they are absolutely amazing. They taste great and they're super good for you. So MAGICSPOON, I bought, we are not sponsored. If MAGICSPOON does want to sponsor me, I'm more than willing to accept. But for right now, this review is just specifically from my experience. I purchased all these products on my own, and I definitely am going to show you everything that I purchased with this bundle. So MAGICSPOON has these protein cereals that has no sugar, 3 grams of net carbs, and 11 grams of proteins per serving. So you definitely guys can check it out. It's the high protein, keto friendly, gluten free, grain free, soy free, wheat free, naturally flavored, totally delicious childlike cereal for grown-ups. So if you definitely want to still eat cereal and you don't want to have that the sugars headache, definitely pick up one of these boxes. I'm going to tell you a little bit about their story, and then we're going to jump in and I'm going to show you the different flavors that they absolutely have. So Greg and Gabby are co-founders of MAGICSPOON. They've been friends for 10 years. They went to college together, lived together, and started previous business together. So they've been around for a little bit together doing what they're doing. They both grew up eating cereal every morning for breakfast, binging sugary crunches and classic brands that crashed them with empty carbs in the afternoon, and they were supposed to be our most productive, because usually in the afternoon everybody has a crash because of all of the sugar that they had in their body, which is very true. Now that we're adults, we're searching for years for a cereal that has the same addictive quality and those sugar corn bombs, but actually fuels us for a healthy alternative. We've learned about the cereal industry. We were shocked by the true scopes of the problem. The average American eats 100 bowls of cereal a year. This even includes people who don't eat a single bowl, and kids are one of the largest consumers, yet almost every version in the aisles is stuck in the old pentagram of grains, GMOs, and sugars. So you have to be very careful. These are all dietary paths that you would have to make on your own. I'm not telling you have to do it, but me personally, if you want a healthier option and it still tastes good, these are definitely one of the cereals you need to embark on. We've experimented for over a year to create a cereal inspired by the flavors and nostalgias of Saturday morning cartoon cereal, but upgraded to the 21st century consumer. A guilt-free treat that tastes like you remember you can eat at any time of the day. That's what MAGICSPOON is all about. We hope that you enjoy. So the MAGICSPOON, they do come with 4 basic flavors. The first one that I'm going to be talking about is the frosted. This is the one the baby absolutely loves. They look like little Cheerios, and they have like little frostings on it, but it's not filled with all that grams of sugar. They do have milk products in it, so if you are completely vegan, this is not an option for you because they do have milk in it. The second one that I do love is called the Fruity. Fruity is delicious. As you can see, we already opened it because we've already been chowing it down. So they have these beautiful, colorful boxes. They're good quality cardboard, and they still have like fun little things on the back, like word searches, finish the sentences. They're a little more escalated and high up, only because they're meant to be geared towards adults, not necessarily children, but it don't got no raunchy stuff on it, so don't worry about it. The next flavor that they have is the blueberry. So my teenager actually loves this one. This one is the yummy one. I do like this one as well too. And as you can see, they have it clearly graphed the grams of sugar and the grams of protein that they have in each box. And you can also check out the ingredients on the side. So they definitely do have the facts here. So it's not available. And last but not least is the cocoa. So the cocoa is pretty much like if Cheerio shaped Cocoa Puffs were there. That's what this box is for. And this one has a word search on it too. They're super yummy. As you can see, the quality of the box is good. Quality of the box is really, really good. And they're manufactured here in New York City. So yeah, I did pick up the 4 boxes together, and then there's an extra bonus that I picked up, and it's this special thing. They do come with a bowl and a spoon set, so I did pick up one of these. So let's get to opening it. For my ASMR friends. So this is Open Sesame, and as you can see, the product on the side at MAGICSPOON.com. You can follow them on Instagram, MAGICSPOON Cereal. As you can see, if you guys follow me on my personal Instagram, you'll see that I have posted about the cereals before and the bowls and everything. But for my YouTube friends, here you go. I'm gonna open this up. So it's really cool. It's like a silicone bowl that they have here. It says MAGICSPOON on the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. And their little MAGICSPOON character is here. In the middle of the box it says, hold on to your dream. And it has a little thing there. It has this iridescent spoon. It's kind of solid. It does feel like it's still metal. The world's first cereal optimizing spoon. Magical powers not included, and it is dishwasher safe. For the bowl as well, it's 100% food graded silicone with no fillers or additives. It can go anywhere from negative 50 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Will not break, crack, chip, fade, or scratch. It is microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe. Most bowls are round. Not every breakfast is well-rounded. Yikes, throwing shade. But yes, this is really amazing. I really love the products. They're really good and durable. As you can see, it's beautiful. And the fact that it's dishwasher safe, you know, I'm happy about it. So I can throw it right in the dishwasher. But yes, I absolutely love this. This is so amazing, and you guys should definitely check that out at MAGICSPOON.com. Eat some cereal. Got this for free at Stop and Shop. They had it for one of the free products for Free Fridays. You guys want to check out a lot of the deals that I do now and get it firsthand. I do post it on my Snapchat and on my Instagram. So guys, make sure you check that out. Definitely delicious. No doubt about it. But thank you so much for listening and watching. For my friends who would like to join our group on Facebook, I'll have the link down below. And if you want to join a coupon meeting, all you have to do is send us a quick email at couponcardclub@gmail.com. All right, beautiful people, I hate to say it, I love our time together, but you know, I gotta go. So I will see you soon. Bye.